Welcome to this video on the 80% rule. We will explore how optimizing your charging habits can significantly extend your smartphone's battery lifespan. Have you noticed your phone stops charging at 80%? Modern software often intentionally pauses power at this level. Let's look at why engineers block that final 20%. Inside your battery, lithium ions move back and forth to store energy. A 100% full battery crowds the anode, which stresses the battery's chemical structure. Think of it as a voltage stress metaphor. Charging to 80% uses low force, but pushing from 80 to 100% requires maximum voltage, which causes damage over time. Heat is another major factor. Leaving a phone at 100% leads to constant trickle charging, which generates heat. This heat permanently degrades your battery's internal capacity. Data shows that depth of discharge impacts cycle life. Using a 60% depth of discharge significantly extends your device's total lifespan compared to regular full 100% discharges. Charging speed matters too. Faster charging creates more thermal stress, which reduces the total lifetime energy your battery can provide compared to slower charging rates. This matrix compares the 80% limit against the 100% limit. The 80% approach results in lower stress, minimal heat, and better long-term capacity preservation. The electric vehicle industry already uses the 80% rule to protect expensive battery packs, knowing that full charges daily can slash battery life by up to 40%. Your device's battery management system acts as a digital guardian. It monitors voltage and temperatures, automatically reducing charging current to prevent reaching dangerous thresholds. You can activate these limits yourself. Check your battery settings on iOS, Samsung, Android, or use manufacturer-provided software on Windows and Mac devices. For older hardware without built-in limiters, consider using external smart USB devices or programmable smart plugs that cut power after a set time. Always keep your devices in a comfortable room temperature range, between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Extreme heat or cold are detrimental to battery chemistry. Follow these golden rules. Charge to 80%, plug in at 20%, use slow chargers, and always stick to certified cables for your device. By giving up 20% of your daily capacity, you double your device's lifespan, save money, and help reduce global e-waste. Thanks for watching.